Hey everyone, it's Kate, also known as Casey Nails, here on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. I'm so excited to finally share that I have collaborated with Double Dip Nails to create my very first custom dip powder nail kit. I'm so honored to have this opportunity with Double Dip Nails. They do provide beautiful, affordable, and quality nail products to anyone. I absolutely love them, and I'm sure that you will too. I carefully picked out these 6 dip powder colors to complement the holiday season. I personally love pastels, so these 3 right here give me holiday pastel vibes, and the other 3 are my top favorite holiday nail colors. You can purchase the Winter Angel dip powder kit as a full kit. This would include your 6 colors of dip powder, your essential dip powder liquids, the Mermaid Tail Fluffy Nail Brush. This would include the gold snowflake stickers and the holographic carrying bag. Or you can purchase only the powders. Of course, if you do purchase this dip powder kit, make sure you use my discount code KCNails20 to save a little bit of money on your purchase. And of course, I would love to see all of your beautiful creations, so make sure to tag me in your Instagram or TikTok post at its.kcnails, and make sure to use the hashtags Winter Angel Dip Kit and Double Dip Nails so I can see all of your beautiful manicures. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside.
So here's the package. Of course, I am covering up my shipping address. It's going to look something like this once you get it in the mail. I do want to say that this is the sample kit that they sent me. All of the products inside are going to be the exact same products that you're going to get with the Winter Angel Dip Kit. Let's go ahead and open up the package. Once you pull it out of the protective packaging, this is what it's going to look like. It is a solid white box. I was so excited to get this package. I did get this on my birthday, one of the best birthday presents I've ever gotten before. So let's go ahead and open this up. I just took the pointy side of my cuticle pusher to go ahead and open up the tape. So here's what it looks like once you open it up. Of course, you're not going to be getting this note. You are going to be getting the insert card. I'll insert a picture right here of what it looks like. The next thing I'm showing you is the Mermaid Tail Fluffy Nail Brush. This one is so gorgeous, one of my favorite fluffy nail brushes. You are going to get your Double Dip Premium Nail Liquids. I love the packaging, it's so beautiful. So here's what the dip liquids look like. They are the essential dip liquids, so you get the dip base, activator, dip top coat, and the brush saver. You do also get some instructions, so this just tells you how to apply your dip powder, how to remove it, and some QR codes to their social medias. So this part is a little bit different than what the dip kit would look like. So inside this purple bag, I did get a note, and it basically told me to pick from these nail art decorations that I originally asked for my dip powder kit. I did actually do a poll on my Instagram account, and you guys had no idea what it was for. Basically, the majority of people voted for the nail stickers, so I did decide to include this in the dip powder kit. The other decorations that I was planning to use for this kit are the holographic snowflake decals. You can of course purchase these separately on the Double Dip website if you are interested in those decals. This kit also includes the holographic carrying bag, and this is to easily store the entire dip powder kit inside of this bag. And last but not least, we do have these 6 colors of dip powder. I'm so excited. I will be swatching these in just a few seconds, so stay tuned to see all of the swatches of these dip powders. As I said earlier, you can purchase only the dip powders if you already have all of the other items in this dip powder kit. So if you are interested in just the dip powder colors, you do have that option when purchasing the Winter Angel dip powder kit. So here are the 6 colors. They are half-ounce jars, so you do get a lot of dip powder for what you're paying for. I love the quality of these dip powders, so let's go ahead and swatch them out. All of Double Dip's dip powders do come sealed to try to prevent the dip powder from leaking out in the packaging. Here is the first dip powder color. I'm going to go ahead and open up all of the other dip powder jars. I'm going to go ahead and take out the Mermaid Tail Fluffy Nail Brush. I do already have one of these in a different color, but I love this color. I'm sure you guys are going to love this fluffy nail brush. It's so soft and beautiful. I am going to be using the dip base, which is number 2, to apply the dip powder into the swatch sticks. I am going to be using these stiletto nail swatches to swatch out all of the dip powder colors. I personally like to swatch on the inside of the swatches just to make sure that I don't have to file and buff the nail after I've done the dip powder application. To do the swatches, I am just going to take the dip base, which is number 2, and apply a good amount of this into the inside of the stiletto nail swatch. Once I've applied the dip base, I am going to take my cuticle pusher and scoop up some of the dip powder color and go ahead and pour that into the wet base. Wherever you place dip base is where the dip powder is going to stick. I'm going to tap away the excess dip powder, and that's the first layer of the dip powder. I am actually choosing to swatch the red dip powder last because typically red dip powders stain a little easier than all of the other colors. So to avoid having red in any of the other swatches, I'm just going to go ahead and do the brown dip powder next. I did try really hard to pair dip powder colors together that look very nice for the holiday, as well as including dip powder colors that I love. As you guys may know, I love blue nails, so of course I had to include a blue dip powder color for my kit. I'm so happy with how this dip powder kit turned out. I love all of the colors, they go together so nicely. Double Dip did an amazing job putting this whole dip powder kit together. I absolutely love how this kit turned out, and I hope that you guys enjoy it as much as I do. I haven't actually said anything before, but having a custom nail kit was one of my biggest goals when I started my YouTube channel as well as my social medias. This is actually a dream come true for me, and I love that I'm able to create this nail kit with my favorite nail brand, Double Dip Nails. I'm so happy, and I'm excited for you guys to test out this kit. After all of the dip powder layers are dry, I'm going to dust away all of the excess dip powder using the Mermaid Tail Fluffy Nail Brush. After the nails have been dusted, I am going to be doing a second layer of dip powder color on all of the nails. I am going to be doing multiple manicures using this dip powder kit, so if you do like how it looks, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the manicures. Thank you so much Double Dip Nails for collaborating with me and allowing me to create my very first custom dip powder nail kit. I love it so much, and I'm so grateful for this opportunity. Here are the nail swatches indoors in natural lighting. I am standing next to a window. And here are the nail swatches in outdoor lighting. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Okay, let's get some thumbnail pictures. Oh, my thing is showing. No. How do people do that? By the way, I'm probably gonna do a giveaway.